How to add your resume to your Wix website. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you two different ways to actually add your resume on your Wix website. Now, the first way is going to be a button like where people, when people actually click on it, they will get the resume and they can just open it up from their device. The second method is actually going to show up the resume as a page, and you can actually view it from the site itself. So first, go ahead and open up Edit Site from your Wix. Basically, from your Wix website, you want to open up the editor here, and then from here we wanted to go through the first method, which is a button-like method. So once it actually loads in, I'll just show you what to do. Great. So now you want to just go to Add Elements, and then from here you want to go to the button element, if I can just find that. So there you go. And then you want to go to Document Buttons, and if it is a PDF, you want to go for the PDF button. If it is a doc, you want to go for the doc button, and you would want to just select the one that is proper for your type of file. So here I'm just going to use the PDF one, drag and drop it. And then you would want to just go ahead and click on it, and then click on Upload Media, Upload from Computer, and then you'd want to just go ahead and select it. I'll just use this one as an example now. I already have it, didn't even notice, 3 of them. So anyways, just go ahead and click on Add to Page. And now basically when people click on this, they will get the file automatically. So people, they're just going to open it up, and just going to open it up for them. They'll be able to download it and everything. So this is one way to do so. Another way, if you actually want it to show up on screen, let's just go back to editor real quick. Let's say I want to add it right here. So let me just go ahead and remove this real quick and use this as an example. So you will need to open up a new browser tab and just go for elfsite.com. Go ahead and register an account for free. From there, you can just go ahead and create your account completely for free. And you'll be able to just, use it right away. And then just go to Catalog and just search for PDF Embed. And you should find this option. Once you actually click on that, it's just going to give you a few templates to choose from. Both, or not both, all of them are going to work. So just find one that is going to be suitable for you. I highly suggest the first one or the second one, so both are going to be, proper. But here is going to be a lot more to it. Here is just going to be more of a single page. So anyways, I'm just going to select this one and click on continue with this template. And then you would want to just give it a name. So it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to name it resume. And then here you would want to just click on add file. And then you would want to click on add again, upload file, and then you would want to upload your resume. But in this case, it must be a PDF file. Upload your resume. And then here it should actually preview the image. I think it did glitch a little bit, so we can again just give it a name, resume. And then we can just, if you want to add a preview image, I'm not going to do so, click on publish. And then you would want to select the plan that is going to be appropriate for you and your views and all of those things. Feel free to compare all of them and select the one that is suitable for you. I'm just going to go for the free plan because I don't really have a lot of views. Anyways, as this is my test site. So after you do that, just go ahead and copy the code. Go back to your Wix website, add elements, go to embed code, and then embed HTML. From here, you would want to just basically paste the code that we just got, click on update, and it should open up here for you, where you would want to obviously just go ahead and resize this to your liking. Oh, sorry about that. You want to just drag it down from here. And this is pretty much it. This is how you can actually add your resume to your Wix website. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.